everyone, Miss Meek here, and today we're going to be talking about how to multiply a fraction. So multiply a fraction times a whole number. So multiplying a fraction by a whole number and vice versa. So this is an introductory video into multiplying fractions, but today we're going to really focus on just multiplying a fraction by a whole number. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. What's really cool about this is there's a very simple thing about it. All I have to do is turn my whole number into a fraction. Okay? To turn my whole number into a fraction, I just have to put a 1 underneath my whole number. To turn a whole number into a fraction, all you do is put it over 1. That is 3 over 1. That is 3 wholes written as a fraction. I'm going to rewrite this problem so things are a little bit more even. So once I do that, once I put a 1 under my whole number, all I have to do is multiply across. So 1 times 3 is 3. 5 times 1 is 5. I check to make sure that my answer is in the lowest simplified form, and it is, and I am done. The end. That is all there is to it. You multiply straight across. Let's take a look at number 2. Again, to turn that 10 into a fraction, all I do is I put it over 1. So that's going to be 10 over 1 times 5 over 12. We multiply across. And so 10 times 5 is 50, and 1 times 12 is 12. Now I'm going to check my fraction and make sure it's in simplest form, and I see a couple issues with my fraction. Not only is it not in simplest form, it's also improper, and we don't want to leave our answers improper. We do want to try to convert them back into mixed numbers. So we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of side work in order to make our fraction into a mixed number. Remember, to turn our fraction into a mixed number, it's essentially a division problem. How many times does 12 fit into 50? Well, that is 4 times. That's going to be 48. I subtract, and I have 2 left over. Remember that this right here is our whole number, so that is our whole number. This right here, this leftover piece, is our new numerator. We have 2 out of 12 left over. And then, of course, 12 is our denominator. That is the size pieces that we are working with. So right now I have 4 and 2 twelfths. Again, you want to make sure that fraction there attached to your whole number is in lowest terms. We want an equivalent form that is in the lowest of terms. And I see that I don't have that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to divide by a common number between 2 and 12. And that common multiple is going to actually be 2. When I do that, my final answer is going to be 4 and 1/6. So my most simplified, lowest terms, equivalent fraction for this is going to be 4 and 1/6. And that is my final answer there. Alright guys, I hope that this clears up any confusions on how to multiply a fraction times a whole number. All you have to do is turn that whole number into a fraction by putting it over 1. I'll talk to you later. Bye!